In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to full screen mode on Zoom. Whether you're participating in a virtual meeting, watching a presentation, or hosting a webinar, going full screen can enhance your experience by minimizing distractions and allowing you to focus entirely on the content. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and head over to zoom.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to create one, but for most, logging in with your existing credentials will do the trick. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the upper right corner and find your profile icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with a variety of settings and options related to your account. Next, from this menu, you'll see an option labeled Web App. Click on that. It's important because accessing Zoom through the web app ensures you're using the most compatible version for your browser, and it's handy for those who might want to avoid installing the desktop application. With the web app open, the next step is to initiate a new session. You should find a button or menu option that says New Meeting. Give that a click. This is where the magic of full screen really becomes beneficial, especially when managing multiple participants or large meetings. Once your meeting begins, direct your attention to the interface options at the top or bottom of your screen. Depending on your browser and Zoom settings, you'll notice a menu with various view settings. Click on the option labeled View. You're nearly there. From the View menu, go ahead and select Full Screen. Doing this will expand the Zoom window to cover your entire display, eliminating any unnecessary toolbars and browser tabs that might distract you. This setup is perfect for focusing on the meeting at hand without any interruptions. If you've followed these steps, you should now be fully immersed in your Zoom meeting in full screen mode. It's a straightforward process, but if you ever want to exit full screen, simply move your cursor to the appropriate menu allocation and select Exit Full Screen, or press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will bring you back to your regular browser view. That wraps it up for today's guide on going full screen in Zoom. Remember, full screen isn't just a feature. It's a way to enhance your focus during critical virtual interactions. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time.